Forces can be called mm, contact forces and field forces. Contact force means what a contact force means. I tell you later, but what a field force. For a field force, we have some examples in which bodies are not connected but exerting force on each other. For example, gravitational force and electrostatic force. One of the force that you also, I think, have experienced is a magnetic force. When two magnets brought towards each other, suppose this is a magnet North Pole and South Pole, and this is another magnet North Pole, South Pole, and you feel these repelled each other. And similarly, when South and North, they attract each other. And iron that attracts towards magnet at this or this, it depends distance. So there is no contact between these two magnets, still they are exerting force on each other. This is called magnetic force, and these kind of forces are called field forces. So, and I'm not going in all the forces now. What are contact forces? So the contact force, let's see, what's a contact force? Suppose a ground, a object, and some another object. This is A and this is B. If you try to pull this object in this direction with some force A, then you will feel that something is resisting you. This force, Newton's third law, F V. So the resistance that you experience, this required this contact. If there is no contact, there is no such kind of force, because this force is nothing but a friction which is due to the roughness of surface. So this is the force which you applied force, and this is force of friction. And another thing is that a normal reaction which balance out weight of these body. This weight is combining weight of and P. So this is the thing. These are example of contact forces. One more thing I want to tell you is that what is the net force through which this displacement happens. So suppose this is F. So we need to find. So this F comes out to be normal reaction square plus square of friction. So you want to know why this force has this kind of formula. So let's try here. So if you draw this N here and force of friction here, then the resultant of these two forces will give you the net force that exert in that direction. So, and the normal reaction. So F is given by this Pythagorean theorem with this form. So nothing but a Pythagoras theorem by drawing these vectors. So this is an example of contact force, and this is an example. These are field forces. So there are two kind of forces which you can see.